All right, boys and girls, so please write your name at the top of the paper. We are going to do some more practice with our doubles and our near doubles strategy. So we've been doing these for a while, and you should be pretty close to having them memorized if you don't have them memorized already. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So then the near doubles of 3 plus 4 would be 7. 9 plus 9, that one's hard to remember because it's one of our bigger ones, but it's 18. So 9 plus 10 would be 19. What is 5 plus 5? It's 10. So one more is 11. 7 plus 7 is 14. So one more is 15. 2 plus 2 is 4. So one more than 4 is 5. 8 plus 8, that is 16. So one more is 17. 6 plus 6, what's that, boys and girls? It's 12, so one more is 13. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 4 plus 5 would be 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And the last one is our biggest number. 10 plus 10 is 20. So 10 plus 11 is 21. Good job. Let's turn it over on the back. I'm going to do one side with you, and then you're going to try the other side on your own. By now, we should be able to do most of these by ourselves without any help from the teacher. Okay, so 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 plus 9, 17. 3 plus 4 is what? It's going to be 7. 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 plus 7, 13. 9 plus 10 is 19. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 8 is 15. 2 plus 3 is 5. And the last one would be 21. So I want you to take a look on the other side, and I want you to push pause and try this side on your own. And when you're done, press play and check your answers with mine. Hey, boys and girls. 15, 3, 9, 13. Check your answers with mine, and if any of them are incorrect, then fix them, please. 21, 1, 19, 11, 5, 17, and 7. All right, boys and girls, nice job on your math today. Turn this into your teacher and then do what she wants you to do next.